I am Dr. Khokon Kumar Datta. I have a Christian name, Dr. David Brun. I'm currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology in Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University in Gopalganj, Bangladesh. The title of my discussion is Molecular Trapping Technologies and Isolation of Specific Messenger RNA Transcript for Cloning Experiments. In the United States of America, I worked in the Indiana University, Bloomington, and was attached with the School of Optometry. My research life in Indiana University was unexpectedly very short. One of my projects was to clone the messenger RNA or cDNA for SLC4A11 or NABC1 from bovine corneal endothelial cells, which was known at that time as the responsible gene for Fuchs corneal endothelial dystrophy. Though at present SLC4A11 is known as important players for other human diseases also, especially for other eye diseases. My mentor in Indiana University was a famous scientist and professor, Dr. Joe A. Bonanno. His laboratory was using bovine corneal endothelial cells as the model to explore the detailed mechanisms of different eye diseases for a long time. It was easy to get eyes of bovine from the slaughterhouses for experimental purposes in Indiana. For the cloning experiments, heterogeneous mixture of messenger RNAs are extracted first, and then cDNAs are cloned for the sequencing purposes. After cloning and multiplication of recombinant constructs containing cDNAs inside the bacterial cells, a blinded, painful screening usually done to find out the specific clone for a particular cDNA. I tried to develop a cloning method in Indiana University to exclude the painful screening step from the cloning experiment. I designed a probe with dual functions. One part of the probe was capable to bind a magnetic bead containing a specific ligand, and the other part of the probe was capable to bind with specific messenger RNA of SLC4A11 to separate it from a heterogeneous mixture of messenger RNAs. Then I forwarded my experiments to convert messenger RNA of SLC4A11 to cDNA for cloning. There was no need of screening a huge number of clones containing different cDNAs to find out the expected one. The method worked very well and was reported in 2009 in the Journal of Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science with the title Cloning and Characterization of the Bird Transporter SLC4A11 in Bovine Corneal Endothelial Cells. To develop the method, I actually tried to take benefits from the principles of affinity chromatography. This type of approaches are widely used in different scientific works and applications to detect and diagnose different disease causing viruses and bacteria. This type of methodologies may help a lot. Using accessible unique components of viruses and bacteria as the ligands, they can be easily separated from in the purified forms from different pathological specimens like blood, urine, stool, and others, and subsequently can be used for different diagnostic tests. Different molecular markers of human diseases like hormones, proteins, and others can also be tracked for the detection, quantitation, or estimation in the diagnostic purposes. Finally, I would like to wish a very happy, prosperous, and dignified life for myself and for you, everybody, in the light of the true values for freedom. Thank you so much.